Hi there, this is Darren at Treasure Life Family Farms, and today I just wanted to do a little update on our Vitamix since we did a little upgrade on it. Our Vitamix history is we bought our first 5200 back in about 2005, maybe 2006, or earlier than that, at least. And the first one lasted about maybe about 10 years, and then the motor burned up or whatever happened with it, and then we wanted to get another one, and we decided, let's buy one of the refurbished ones that Vitamix has on their site. So that's what this one is. The date on the blade is June of 14, so it would have probably been in the fall of 2014 we got this one, so it's going on 7 years now. And this is the original canister or jug or whatever it is with that, and it's been going strong for quite a while. And now at this point, this lip has been broken for 2 or 3 years. And if you look close, you can see the bearings seal has been off there for a little while. Bearings are rusting up. This thing's pretty much done for. So it was time, so we bought a new one. This one, the blade date is September of 2020, so it's not too far back. That's what a new one looks like when it's got the seal on it still. And that's comes with a new cap, lid, a new plunger, all in this box for that for about $150 off the Vitamix site, or I think this one is off of Amazon, but all the same. And we've pretty much been making at least one smoothie in this every day, all that time, and then often more. Because the breakfast smoothie is pretty much a constant, and then the fruit smoothies come and go as time dictates. Sometimes we do those, sometimes not. But it was time to do an update. It's just wanted to show the kind of the contrast between one that's been used all those years and the brand new one. Even the new one's been used once, so it's even got a little bit of a cloudy thing going on at this point. But that's the new versus used, and as many smoothies as this thing has made. Even the price point on the Vitamix itself and the canister with all this one really gets used and how long it's held up. We're pretty happy about that. So that's our kind of our Vitamix story, and I would highly recommend this as a blender for anybody's blending in smoothies, and you can make soups and all kinds of stuff, but we don't do much of that anymore. So thanks for watching. There's our kind of our Vitamix upgrade. We got a new canister, come with a new lid and a new plunger. We haven't seen the plunger on the old one for a lot of years. Don't even know that we'd use it. So, there we go. That's our Vitamix story. Thanks for watching. Go get you one.